morning, Cleaners Connect. Today I am a commercial carpet cleaner today and tile and grout cleaner. Sometimes the best jobs are those that you pull up to, easy setup, no people around, just you and the floors, and you're making great money, and you can get there when you want to. That's my job today on this Saturday. Got this commercial building that I'm taking for a commercial client of mine that owns millions and millions of square feet of office space and warehouse space, and I'm cleaning the tile and grout in the bathrooms as well as the carpet in the office areas. Wonderful Saturday. I look forward to doing this job, maybe about 3-4 hours, and make some really good money. And it's a great Saturday work for me. So, no fine fabrics today. Just a great commercial. Thanks, guys. Okay, we're just about ready to start. I'm gonna start pre-treating. This is my tile and grout basket. This is my seal and my commercial pre-spray basket. The sealer for the tile and grout. It's a deodorizer, and that's a neutral clean I'm gonna leave with them so they can mop on those floors with a neutral cleaner. I'm gonna use a sealer door and the extender to seal this door while I'm here. That is my penguin sprayer with my carpet protector and that sprayer. That's my flat mop for the tile, my SX12 for the tile, and then these dry pods for the tile as well. And that is my carpet cleaning basket. My Hydroforce for the pre-spray for the carpet, because I will extract these today. That's my tile and grout pre-treatment, and I also will use that multi-sprayer to put down the sealer for the tile. And there's the David wand with the easy handle on it by Dave Yoakum. Thanks, Dave. That's been a relief on my back. So I don't got to show you the whole building, but just give you a 360-degree turn of the carpet that I'm going to be cleaning. This is a long-time customer, actually. Here's the tile and grout. Very small area as far as tile and grout is concerned. Women restroom. Another office there. This is just a circle that goes around back to the front with a couple of offices there on the left. And this is the men's restroom. Tile and grout, a little dark in here. Light needs to be replaced, I think. Oh no, there it is. So I'll knock the tile and grout out first. That is the stationary room, reception area. Go back to the front. So I'm going to start pre-spraying the tile and go ahead and get started.